A reliable platform experience begins with clarity. Users want to know how account access works, how requests are handled, and how each step is protected. SwayHorizonAi is designed to provide a smooth and secure environment for managing account access, balance actions, and platform requests while keeping everything aligned with global compliance standards. Users can add value to their account through a bank, digital payment service, or credit and debit card. When card-based actions are used, a quick identity check may be required, including a snapshot of the card, to meet regulatory requirements and help maintain a secure account environment. SwayHorizonAi does not charge service fees for this step, although banks or payment providers may apply their own charges. This makes the process more transparent and helps users understand why the final amount shown in the account may differ slightly from the amount submitted. The platform also follows a structured request process. Users start from the account dashboard, confirm identity, use internal transfer to move balance to MoneyBox, and then submit a request from MoneyBox to a personal card or bank account.